Mobilization is going to the people, share your knowledge with the people, use the resources that the people have in the local community so that when the program is done, the people in the local community can confidently say they own the program. A lot of our cleft parents are from very poor backgrounds. They are uneducated, they have no means of livelihood, and as a result of this, in order to make the Smile Train nutritional program more effective, we thought it was wise to empower cleft mothers so that they can use the profit that they make from their business to help themselves and to take care of their household.
So what the GSI team is that they support the women, they bring them up together as a group, they teach them even how to become entrepreneurs.
Saboda su ne mutane mafi kusa da ku, wanda idan kun fara sai da abu za su siya a wurin ku. Idan sun siya sun ji wannan abin da kike saidawa a gaskiya yana da daɗi, ya tsaftar shi yake, a yana da kyau. Sai shine za su je su fara gaya wa wani, kafin sannan shine za ki samu customers da yawa.
Women, when empowered, had their hearts of the community. And when you empower women, you improve health, you improve nutrition, you improve education. The woman becomes independent. When you empower women, you improve the economy.
Gashi nan ma an fara suyawa. Ana bukata idan muka je gida ma mu fahimci abin da ake yi.
With that little money that they are making from the empowerment program, they are able to put food on the table. Some are even able to now send the child to go to proper school and the child is educated. And there's just a general well-being and welfare of the families taken care of.